So in neuromuscular disease research, we are really trying to find new therapies and cures for patients that have diseases that affect muscles and nerves. So right now we're going through a renaissance of clinical research in muscle and nerve diseases, and we're one of the focal sites for this research here at the University of Kansas Medical Center. In Duchenne muscular dystrophy, we are doing several research projects right now. So Duchenne muscular dystrophy always affects kids, and it usually begins manifesting itself with weakness when they're about 5 years old and they start falling. Duchenne is due to a genetic defect in one of the proteins that build muscle, and so if that protein is missing, then the boys get weak.
I do clinical research into neuromuscular disorders with a specialty on one of the most common muscular dystrophies called facioscapulohumeral muscular dystrophy. It can affect people at any age, starting really just after birth all the way up until late adulthood. It's typically a slowly progressive muscle disease, but it's progressive, so people get weaker over time. We have a number of studies going here. We have clinical studies that help us understand how the diseases progress in individuals and what causes the diseases. And then we also have studies geared at treatments for different diseases.
We have 8 neuromuscular doctors here at KU Medical Center that specialize in these diseases. And not only do we see patients with these diseases and we diagnose them and we treat them for these diseases, we are also on the cutting edge for therapy in these diseases. We're really in a revolution now on finding new types of therapy. And this therapy ranges from using old drugs for new purposes to using cutting-edge new drugs that have never been used before in humans. So patients do not have to go to Houston or Mayo Clinic or WashU or Denver for their cutting-edge neuromuscular diseases. So we're really proud to be a cutting edge of research here at KU.
Yeah, I think it's really exciting time for neuromuscular diseases in general, and our ability to fundamentally go after the genetic defects, the very things that are going wrong to cause these diseases, has advanced well beyond expectations. It may ultimately help people over time either ameliorate the disease, or what we all hope for down the road is develop some new cures.